Okay, Mike Hughes here. I'm at SIL Technologies, and I'm with Carlos. And Carlos, you have a new device. It's still a prototype, so we're not going to discuss it to the nation yet, right?
Right.
It's under wraps. But it's well, you want to explain how it works?
Yes. Here we have a mock-up of what the technology is supposed to look like. Whenever we finish it, we're planning to have it prototype ready in a year and a half.
Okay.
And the technology is made to detect real-time the presence of bubbles.
Nitrogen bubbles.
Right. Nitrogen bubbles, and the thing is that it's wearable, so you can wear, the diver can wear it, and he can keep track of the number of bubbles and the size of bubbles that are being detected through where the belt is located. So this will be mimicking with this thigh.
Right, so that goes on your thigh, and you're going to be diving with that, and then it's going to detect any change in your bloodstream or tissues.
Any presence of any bubble in your bloodstream.
Okay.
So there we have pushed our technology to reach sizes as small as 80 microns. And then what we are now trying to determine, and that will be the second phase of the research, is at what point it is becoming dangerous. So we know that the technology works and works for very small bubbles, and now we have to tune it to know when the divers should be alerted. So the reason we came here is just to see, because the technology looks to be working, is just to see a commercial perspective.
Right.
And so far we're getting a nice input. Everybody would like to see it integrated with their computer divings. So one more data that the algorithms could consider in taking the decisions and suggesting how it should be your ready diving plan. And we're already contacting on some of the diving computer companies and see whether they will be interested in have an add-on to their sensors.
I can imagine the commercial aspects for divers that are in the water all day, or even if you're on a vacation and you're doing 4 or 5 dives a day, and you're kind of concerned about, am I really getting nitrogen bubbles or not? This kind of device would really be applicable and for a comfort zone.
Right.
Actually, and safety zone too.
We're a team of engineers, and really what we decided is to look things different. Typically the way to look at the bubbles is just with Doppler technology, but the Doppler technology you have to be steady. You can wear and you have your activity. So we found a way just using resonance technology just to make something that is very sensitive, tremendously sensitive, but however it doesn't have a lot of power requirements, so it can be used with a normal battery like the one in a cell phone.
And we should say that the sensors are actually going on the inside here,
right?
All the way around, detecting it all the way around here. And if you can see on that side, they just attach them on the inside to that